What happens when your spill trays and absorbent mats fill with oily rainwater? Let's be honest, they often overflow or operatives empty them out onto the ground. That's not spill prevention, it's pollution. Trying to dispose of this contaminated water responsibly without spilling it isn't very practical, but even if you do make it to a kosh bin, you're paying to dispose of litres of wastewater every time it rains. Companies serious about pollution prevention use the Green Rhino EnviroPad. This innovative spill mat uses smart polymer technology to neutralise hydrocarbons. Our proprietary CG1 polymer absorbs and solidifies oil and fuel to form a rubber-like substance. Trapped inside, the contaminants won't leak out and can't be washed out by rainwater or even jet washing. No pools of oily water, no risk of polluting the environment. The Green Rhino EnviroPad. Best spill control, best value, less waste.